Today, we'll explain how our app OneTouch is aimed to help seniors use technology so that they can better communicate in this digital era. We will have 4 parts to this presentation. Why is it hard for seniors to use technology? Why is it important for seniors to communicate using technology? How we solve this problem, and a short demo. So, why is it hard for seniors to use technology? To explain this, we need to learn a little bit about jobs theory. Jobs theory is a term in design that basically states over time we use different technology to achieve jobs we need to do. For example, if you wanted to communicate with someone far away before smartphones were invented, you would use the landline phones or mail, compared to now when we can just use our smartphones. Regardless, the job here of messaging someone far away is the same. But people just don't use any product that is new, shiny, and supposedly better. They adopt certain new technologies because of push and pull factors. An example could be, for the one above, is your connection is spotty when you talk to people using a landline, but with a smartphone you can call from anywhere. However, when it comes to seniors adopting smartphones, there are some factors that make it difficult, such as cognitive health decline, was that memory, learning, and ability to think clearly decreases with age. Your environment, it's harder to adopt tech when you're not forced to do it for work or school. Rapidly advancing technology, which can be difficult with cognitive health issues and accessibility issues. Seniors may find themselves blocked from services they need, like emotional support from loved ones. It's hard for seniors and their family to use different technology to communicate, causing communication to occur less frequently and risking negative impacts of isolation. To prevent this, we need to remove the barriers blocking seniors from using tech. Well, we can reduce the strain on their cognitive skills by using shortcuts. Shortcuts are buttons that, when tapped, execute a series of actions in an app. It's similar to when you talk to Google Assistant to call Kevin or something, but it doesn't use your voice. Say you want to message your sister. Instead of needing you to learn and remember how to find your sister's contact, type your message, and send it, you can just tap on a shortcut which will take you directly to your messages with her.
Okay, so we are using the thing called shortcuts to make it easier, but looking it up, doesn't Android already come with shortcuts?
Yes, it does, but we currently support apps like Facebook that are not available by default Android shortcuts. As Android shortcuts expand and more apps become available to use, we plan to have users be able to share the shortcuts they make with others. For example, I could create a shortcut for my grandma to message her sister, send it to her, and say, if you want to talk to her, just tap this button.
Oh, okay.
For a quick demo, Oscar is going to use his grandma's phone to set up messaging for her.
Okay, so here is a quick demonstration of our app. We're just going to demonstrate it using Facebook, searching on Facebook, and WhatsApp messaging and Google Maps. So first one, we're going to do searching on Facebook. So what you have to do is select the Facebook shortcut, put in whatever the item you're trying to search at, customize your shortcut with a name, and then you can create the shortcut. And in this case, once you press the shortcut, it's going to direct you right away into the interface of searching. In this case, searching for an iPhone. So in this case, we can save time for our users because they no longer have to, navigate from screen to screen, because this would just automatically take them there, aka like a shortcut. The next one we're going to do is using WhatsApp. In this case, we're sharing something, sending something on WhatsApp. In this case, all we need is an input, the things we're sending here. You can also customize your shortcut with different custom icons. In this case, you can select a color and you can select a different icon. And we also have to give it a name. And we create it, you press it. It's going to take you to WhatsApp, and then you can send that message to a specific group, in this case, see Hello World. Okay. The last shortcut, we have already made it prior to doing this, just to save some time, is our Google Maps. In this case, is taking us to the location of school. So this is another shortcut that our app has. In this case, it can take us to our school, and then users can use that as kind of navigation and saving like certain locations, bookmarking certain locations on the map. And that's a brief demonstration. We also have a lot of other shortcuts. This is just a brief demonstration. And yeah.
And that's all. We thank you for watching.